Welcome in mathematics class 8th. Squares and square roots. Dear students, look at question number 3. It is exercise 6.1 on page 103. The question states the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. So we have to mention the squares of which of the following numbers would be odd. Dear students, look at this table again. Here it is 1 and it is the square of 1, that is 1. It is 2 and it is the square of this 2, 2 2s are 4. It is 3, it is 3 3 is 9, 3 3s are 9. It is 4, it is 4 4s are 16. I want to say that this 1 is odd, its square is odd, 1. It is even, 2, 4 is also even. The number is 3, it is odd, its square is odd. Similarly, you can see even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Similarly, the squares odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. It can be seen till end. That means square of an odd number is always odd and the square of an even number is always even. Now look at the given numbers. It is 431. In the ones place there is 1 and 1 is odd. Implies its square will be odd. Here 1's place is 6, it is even. Implies its square will be even. In the third part, the 1's place is 9, 9 is odd. Implies its square will be odd. Similarly, in this 1's place is 4, which is even, implies its square will be also even. Now look at question number 4. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. So in this we have to observe the pattern, then we have to find the missing digits here. So first of all we will observe keenly the pattern. Here is 11. There are 2 times 1, 1 and 1, and here it is 11 square is equal to 121. You can see 1 2 from left and 1 2 from right. So 11, there is 1 2 times and there is 2 in between, 2 1s, 1 in the left and 1 in the right. Now go to the second part of this. There is 101 square. There was 11. There is 0 between 1 and 1. There is 1 and 1. There is 1 and 1 and the between them is 1 0. And here is 1 2 1. 1 2 1. There is 1 0 between 2 1s. There is 1 0 between 1 and 2 and 1 0 between 2 and 1. Similarly here there were 2 1s, 1 and 1. There were 2 1s also and 1 0. There are 3 1s, 1 1 and 1. Between each one there is a 0, and here between 1 and 2 there are 2 zeros. Between 2 and 1 there are also 2 zeros. That means number of zeros are increasing here. there are there is not any 0, there is 1 0, there are 2 zeros. There is not any 0 between this 2 and this 1, there is 1 0 and there are 2 zeros. That means the number of zeros is increasing. Here also, here it is 1 0 and it is 1 0 and 2 zeros between 1 and 1. So the question is, now look here, it is 1 lakh 1 square, it is 1 crore 1 square. That is, there are 2 plus 2, 4 zeros between this one and this one, and there are 6 zeros between this one and this one. That means there, between this 1 and this 2, there will be 4 zeros, and there between this 2 and this 1, there will be also 4 zeros. Similarly, there will be 1, then 6 zeros, then 2, then again 6 zeros, then 1. Like this, there are 4 zeros, there are 4 zeros, there are 4 zeros. There are 6 zeros, there are 6 zeros, there are 6 zeros. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.